Hey, how you doing? Yeah, my daughters and I were just out here just a little while ago, and a little Chihuahua, a little dog, was out there playing around with the deer. There was a wild deer in the back. Check this out. Yeah, it's funny.
It looks like that deer guy's 2 eyes.
Like the dog's messing with the deer.
No, it looks like they have 4 eyes.
Just watch and see what he's doing. It's funny. What happened? Did the deer chase the dog away?
No, he's just like trying
The deer's right there.
Oh.
Are you saying that dog or
The dog. What is that dog doing to that deer?
deer? I don't know. The deer's scaring him.
Look at that.
Is the deer trying to go toward him or something?
Let's just see what he's doing. I think he's messing with him. He's playing.
Oh, the deer's playing with him? Daddy, is the deer trying to play with the dog?
It looks like it.
That's so
Where's he at?
He's right there. He's
Oh,
going
there
to
he
bed.
is.
You like that?
I think he's teasing him.
I think so. But then the deer keeps on coming toward him and then he's going to run.
He's like...
Why does he keep running from the deer?
Aww.
Is that a boy or a girl? Daddy, is that a kid or is that a mother?
Isn't that a buck?
Looks like 2 eyes. What's a girl?
Are you trying to fight him?
Is that deer trying to fight
Dog's
him?
like... Where is the dog? Oh, there he is.
Is he trying to buck him or something? Oh, so weird. So funny. Deer's like, hey. Eyes must be crossed or something, like he had 4 eyes. Better watch out.
Yeah, I was on standby just in case the deer tried anything. Because, you know, wild animals, you know, they're unpredictable. So, you know, those deer were scared of humans, especially since I'm heavier than a deer was. So, yeah, if he would have tried to harm any animals around here, I would have ran after him. But it seemed like he was playing. Well, just post a comment or video response and let me know what you think. I thought it was pretty cute. Don't forget to what? Support what?
The
Children's Miracle
The
Network.
Children's Miracle Network. That's right, so don't forget about it.
me, Sophia Grace. And y'all know Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. Rosie's quiet. So here we are, 3 weeks into Weight Watchers, and we've lost 5 kilograms, or 10 pounds, or something. And Rosie, you proud of me? Rosie, you proud of me? It was so easy. All you have to do is go on Sharecare. That's ShareCare.com. .com, right? Rosie. Sharecare.com. Dr. Oz. Weight Watchers. How we doing? Rosie. Look, say hello to your fan. Rosie. You're losing your rabbit, Rosie. Seriously? My sisters are doing it. I got 3 friends to sign up at Weight Watchers. They give you great tips if you go online. Sharecare. You go on Sharecare. Rosie. See? Look. Oh, your rabbit.
Oh no! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh, the poor rabbit!
All right, you want to hold the rabbit? Here, we'll just hold the rabbit. Rosie. Not the dog. Rosie. Come on, we're trying to do the video for Sharecare and Dr. Oz. Come on, trans. Wait, say it with me. Say it with me. Transformation. They give you great tips every day. You go on sharecare.com. They give you healthy eating tips and healthy exercise tips. And one great exercise they say is have fun, because if it's not fun, Rosie, if you don't bring your friends, they're not going to want to do it. So you got to bring your friends, you got to have fun, right? And guys, next week we're going to put the britches on, okay? So you got to tune in. So we started on January 8th. Today's January 28th. It's not as cold. And go ahead, want to say goodbye, Rosie? You in there, Rosie? Rosie. Rosie's quiet. Rosie, I'm Sophia. This is Rosie. Rosie's a little bit more quiet than Sophia. Right, Rosie? Rosie. Rosie likes the rabbit. Or the rope. One or the other. Rosie's easy. Rosie, give the folks a kiss. Say hi, Rosie. Give Mommy a kiss. Oh, no, not Guess no. Give a kiss. Mommy kiss.
Aww.
Little kiss. Rosie's being shy. Rosie, kiss. Rosie, you're being shy. You don't like the wig, Rosie. You don't like the wig, Rosie. Did you go, Rosie? Thank you, Rosie. See you next week.
on Middle Road for 3/4 of the mile.